may not working along with the bees.
Representing a culture, country lifestyle. Country life is so nice, yeah. Oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in. We've been treading it rough from the beginning, and Mr. Condescending is so belittling. It's not a good way for you to treat a sibling. Me say you have to give thanks for the little things. Sometimes you have to get grasp on a little bridge. Mama earth is the fullness of everything. Country life sweet. Me say countryman smart. Me say bitch at these streets. You have it tough like rock. Me say country life sweet. Me say the countryman smart.
The 8th one.
Me say bitch at these streets.
Reveal, I should say.
You have it tough like rock. Just thumbs up on all our vibes. If you like the content, just subscribe. Just ring the bell at any time, so you can know when the new content arrives. It's Hive.
This is culture, country lifestyle in Jamaica. You can smell the honey. Spring. Springtime again. Yeah, just chop them off right. That's a male plant. That is not the bearing type. Male guinea. Okay. That's a bad box. It wasn't clearing it. So you let Hans will destroy it if you don't clear your bees and take here a whole lot of red ants. Destroy. That's how the bees think, or it's not an easy road. You have to know what you're doing. See how Hans destroy that? Then burning all those ants. Whole lot of ants. That's how it goes, my viewers. That's when you see the honey. A lot of different processes have to go through, and a lot of care, TLC, lot of TLC. All bad stuff, look there. Wasn't caring. Look at it. Look how ants do it, my viewers, you see? Look there. Look at it. Ants, duck ants, termites. Termites, look there, so you have to reshape it up now and come brand new again. Burn all those, get rid of those. A bee want to sting me, you know. You have to build more boxes now.
No, I have to make new boxes.
Some new boxes, man. So it is done in the forest, in the jungle of Jamaica. This bee is getting angry at me. Don't want to get too close to those bees. Now they're getting a bit upset. I don't have on any protective gear. That's a cedar tree. Pruning up this, cleaning around that cedar tree. It's Jamaican cedar that can make lumber, cedar board. That's an old cedar tree root. You see a man, that's a sharp maca. That's a cedar. You can do anything you want to do. So I'm gonna start back with just one colony of bees. So I'm gonna get some different bees to set up back, start up back a nice bee farm. Please like the video, my viewers. You can share and you can leave comments. State where you are viewing from. If you are new to culture, country, lifestyle, I'd appreciate if you could subscribe. Hard-working Mark, the bees expert. Viewers, I'm more like you know. See how you're angling the machete. Viewers, I'm more like how you're angling the machete. You almost slip, man. Must say thanks everyone for watching this video. One love from culture, country, lifestyle in Jamaica.